Tear it up and tear it out with the Powerbuilt Rage Demolition Multi-Tool. Drywall, studs, tile, plaster. The Powerbuilt Rage quickly dispatches whatever stands between you and a finished job. You'll save time and money too. The Rage replaces multiple tools, including a nail hammer, sledge, pry bar, and nail puller. In fact, the Rage offers 7 different functions, all in one brutally effective tool. At just 2.5 pounds, the Rage features strategic weight placement to multiply impact force at the point of contact. Translation: with each swing, you'll generate maximum results with minimum effort. And the Rage is built to take whatever you throw at it. The heavy-duty I-beam frame is forged in high-carbon steel, heat-treated for maximum strength and stiffness. The dual-density handle features a patented shape for maximum comfort, grip, and control, so you can put the hurt on everything but you. Whatever stands between you and finishing the job won't stand up to the Rage. The Powerbuilt Rage. Tear it up and tear it out.